leash life. Stop too wide, it's a bad invite. Risk in check, now my mindset right. I don't need 10 trays, I need one clean shot. Price come back to the premium spot. OB fresh, got the volume high. If they trap both sides, I'ma wait them plot. Everybody loud when the market pump, but they go real quiet when the drawdown come. I don't revenge, I don't chase no run. I breathe, reset, then I load that one. Breach it, clear, breach it, breach it, breach it, clear. Breach and clear when I step in the zone. Charts on dark, I've been locked in alone. Price at the block, let it tap and it's gone. I don't force trades, I just wait for my tone.
there's apex, but for the but the apex goes through trade evade when it comes to actually like executing the trades.
I was thinking about using tasty trade.
What is it?
Tasty trade.
I swear to God, she does this.
Yeah, right.
Oh my God, I swear to goodness.
It's here. Position.
You know, it might just be telling me I need to move. I need to like move my entries down a little bit. And it's my fault.
Hey,
You see it, right?
it's like, yep. I'm right away with you.
I think maybe it's just how many move my entries down a little bit.
I would say yes. I don't know. May end up like this shit. But maybe leave the interest that way. Work so far. You wanna make
But the issue is also is like mentally, if it doesn't tap it, that initial right there, and it doesn't just reject, like it being that close makes me feel like it might just come up. Also, let's see. Alright, I'm in it now. It tapped. I'm feeling confident right now based off the movement. I'm actually gonna go break even. I think if it breaks past this point again, then it wants to just continue up. This is a risk-free trade now. I really strongly feel, based on how it's moving, if it breaks past that point again, then it definitely wants to just keep moving. I want to stay in for that trade, which it is going down. So let's see how much it can. We'll see, but you gotta also see that a lot of these candlesticks, they don't have any top wicks, which is very strong signs of upward pressure. So like I need a strong breakdown.
trade area that you blocked out? Because it's already encapsulating push down or the downward pressure. Does that make sense? What I'm saying?
Yeah, I get what you're saying. But it was, yeah, which the only reason it made me question a lot was there was like this wick, this candle right here doesn't have a top wick, which means it came down, pushed up, and then it tapped it, but then this candle came back up, didn't have a top wick, so there's upward pressure there. This candle is down, like mostly down, but it didn't have a top wick, and then this one actually has a top wick, but it shows downward pressure. This one's showing downward pressure. So it looks like it's flipping now to some good strong downward pressure. So we're looking good right now for this trade. We're currently almost 90 points in profit.
You said 53, 8, 9.
I moved my take profit down into where that pretty much where that green one is.
Yes, indeed. That's another thing I do. Sharper. Just pulling the trigger on the take profit and just letting the trigger. Well, I'm in it or not, just letting it like instead of hoping for a bigger payout. You know you should have taken profit. But then the shit moves against you. Like, well,
I mean, it happened.
too many fucking times.
Yeah, there's people that will literally what they'll do is they'll just take their money of what they got, and then they'll take half or a part of it, and then let the rest run, and then just kind of like set and forget type of scenario. Oh my gosh, where did this weight come from?
The hell just in the down?
I'm still not taking it out yet, but that was very strong.
Yeah, that was motion, man. Dang. sure. Always good money. That move right there.
But I don't know. It didn't take out this low. Like I would feel comfortable like coming back if it would have took out this low and then came back a little bit, but it didn't. So it makes me kind of feel like it wants to possibly keep pushing back up into the entry area. Because what I was hoping for was to target these lows over here, like the actual London low.
Ah. 54, 53 territory.
Yeah, I was hoping to target it might flip back. I think it might have been just filling this gap right here. And then flipping back. Possibly.
Let's see. Yeah, still feels down first. And I'm not talking about that candle correct. So like the candle, two candles before. That right there, yeah.
It literally what it did was filling this gap and then flipping back.
Like a mini gap.
The question is, what does it do off this? I think if it breaks past this thing,
But you taking already after the trade.
what's that?
You already had the trade.
Yeah, I got it.
Yeah.
When it came up, it flipped out, but again, like I was already kind of cautious of this trade because it wasn't really clean in this area right here. Like it was chopping. I thought it was gonna miss my target, but it came back and tapped me and did a good move. Maybe we could have said I could have possibly taken it. Like I don't know. It didn't make sense. Nothing in my strategy tells me to take profit in this range. Like maybe if like I would have came back and broke this, then I'm like, all right, take some money off of it. That would have made sense to me. But also, yeah. But I definitely wanted to move it down because I wasn't sure about, especially how it was like moving. Like it didn't take this out, so it could have totally reversed. So I wanted to take something.
Gotcha.
So I moved it. I moved it to break even right when I got like that good move, and like based off my movement, it's either a clean like this type of tap, like bear like just taps it and reverses, and if it doesn't do that, then usually it's not a good trade. So
Gotcha.
so once it does that tap and flips that next candle, then I try to go break even just to, because more times than not, if it comes back past my touch point, my entry point, then it's gonna be a losing trade. So why stay in it?
You are right.
So it touches, and then once it flips, then I'm like, all right, I'm gonna break even.
stick at the minimum to break even trade.
At a minimum to break even. There's no reason for me to hold it. If I lose a trade, then it's because there was so much pressure that either my entry was wrong or like the way I saw my entry. So like, yeah, so either my entry was wrong or there was just so much pressure coming back up. Like somebody entered the market and pushed the market back up, or
And it just wiped out.
yeah. But if like if it taps it and does the reverse, then even whether why it's a clean entry, and then I need to break even to pretty much save myself.
Right.
So it looks like it's already broken out here. So I have a feeling that it's gonna keep going down because it's now disrespecting that gap. Right before it was kind of touching it and kind of reversing, not sure what it was to do. But now it looks like we have enough selling pressure to actually get it back down past this gap.
Yes. Which would you rather take? Wicked entries or confusing direction? Which one would you rather have? Like a market where the direction of the good or whatever the trade isn't necessarily easy to discern, or would you rather have entry points that aren't easy to discern?
That's kind of hard.
And I'm really saying
I would say
Because-
entry points because I think if I would rather because it's one
it
and the
was a bad
same.
situation.
It's like one and the same. My entries only come based off market direction. Like I don't choose the direction or the entry points. It's based off the market direction already showing me, hey,
This is where we're going. How you gonna fit it?
yeah.
Yes. And I was really only to ask, like, in general, like, if you have an overall discernible direction of the market, but the entry points for the day are specifically choppy. Like, would you trade that day versus a day in which the direction is, I would say, sideways, but the entry points are easily discernible. So just trying to figure out.
If it's sideways, then you won't have an entry because your entries are only based off it breaking out to the upward, like breaking out upwards or downwards.
So could you possibly have like an elongated sideways trade where it does encompass certain highs breaking those structures, but it's overall within the same sideways pattern? This is more of a could you type.
Yeah, I mean, it's kind of hard for the pure fact. Like I said, it's like hard to say that when the whole idea is like, say say this is you consider this sideways, like you consider this like area like sideways. I would never take a trade in this area. The only reason I take a trade is because I have clear direction movement down. This change of character, I enter on the change of character, and then it moves. Then it continues. It moves like it creates a change of character because it shot down, but then I enter on the rebound to that to continue to move downwards because of the price has already decided to go down. So like I would never have an entry here without direction. So I can't have an entry without direction. I can't have like I just can't have an entry without direction. So it's like one and the same. So like I guess I would rather have direction than a clear entry, because if you just had to make me choose, but like that's how I get my entries based off the direction of where the market chose to go. But yeah, this trade is still moving in the right direction.
It is. DJ for one. Actually, thank you. Thank you did.
This is kind of choppy.
Yeah. I guess I shouldn't say. I guess I should say choppy. Sideways, over progression. Choppy just it doesn't matter. My biggest thing is not letting the market or my internals stop me from getting in position and leaving position at the correct time. I know that little box I'm trying to fit in. Just trying to. And at least if my position gets moved, having a defense for having rationale enough to say, okay, cool, this will happen again, but this is more likely than not.
I think overall, I probably maybe move the stop a little bit too high because I wanted to take some profit in this trade. That's one of the things I would probably maybe change. Maybe I was a little bit too aggressive. But then once it created this low and came up here and then broke that low, then I could easily move the stop here.
And then,
but just continue to let it breathe and have room to move.
Actually, that's probably the stair step method. One trade to confirm the first step. Either break in or take a little bit of profit. Continues to run. Load up this second step and let it do this. You've already taken one. Look like all that right there. Just like when you just pass over the track, just leave that one like top of the candle at 9:40, I would try to time that, and let's say the rest would have got it. I would try to just run that whole ride. Like I said, to take it when it comes out the deep.
What'd you say again? You said you were at where?
The candle at 9:40. Right where it touched, right there, right where it touched the tap. It gets past over the tracks. Time that. Next one up. Yeah, I would try to time that, and if I would have gotten, I would have ran the whole, would have tried to run the whole run down instead of taking profits along the ride.
Oh
But that was my ideal trading. It was like you look for big moves to get the big swell. And that is what makes the quote-unquote trade-off between your salary, your job, whatever, an actual trading experience. Let's see, 1 to 19, 1 to 20 ratio.
yeah.
So like I said, I would have just tried to map. I said to trade before, just like this chart. Like you wait, you time a big move, you let the big move run, and you clock after the big. That's where I even ended up chasing the charts because I was just trying to chase them.
Yeah, no, I feel you. But I mean, overall, the trade is playing out as called.
Right.
Like, all right, so my stop was here. So if you do it based off just where my stop is, and then so if it's like a 1 to 8, but like when it comes to the entry criteria of like what I expect to kind of just tap and go, then yeah, that's when you can justifiably say like a correct entry creates these higher risk to reward type trade, like just the like you don't even have to say the number itself being like a very high risk to reward. You just know it's a very high risk to reward based off the type of entry that I try to catch.
Gotcha.
Yeah, so I would say yeah, that's the trade for the day.
Okay. That's out. Big five. And for the brokerage period of the funds, what is it? How big? What you say is Apex? How big does Apex like 3-year money?
So Apex has recently switched it to where before it was like crypto, so you would have to have like a account like Kraken or something like that. That's how it was, but now they can actually send it straight to your bank account.
Oh, no more hot wallets.
Yeah, so you don't have to do that no more. You can get it straight to send to like your personal or business bank account.
Okay. The business bank account would be smooth as far. Okay. I just want to confirm it just to be sure. Okay.
Yeah, no worries. But yeah, you can get it. You just send you the website.
Because ultimately, like, trading probably won't be for everybody. I'm trying to get everybody. The goal of it would be to at least, like, let's say I share me, share my girl, share my couple. That's really just it. So in the sense of just having a system that I can at least illustrate to them how it works, how it can be consistent, given the set rules.
Yeah.
I'm with you.
Yeah, if that's what you were, if you think you're ready to do it, I would say just start. I would even start with like the lowest account that you can get, like buy one account at the lowest, so then you can just honestly, I think they're really cheap right now.
Yeah, I think a few of them $0 to get up started. But just like last time, I jumped in the real money first. So I think at this point in time, I want to at least take 10 paper trades of the strategy and not to get a lot more than that. But 10 just gets me in, to feel comfortable with. But the real goal, I was told to get like 300 trades paper before you get back to putting your real money into it. Decided OD, then when I broke it down, you basically said, okay, take a year before you risk your own money. So,
yeah, I mean, that is definitely that's a safe rule, because you just want to make sure that you want to go through a lot of different market conditions to understand what works and what doesn't work before you start throwing your own money in. And then I would say talk to me before you actually buy one. There's a whole bunch of different types of accounts. Don't do intraday trailing at all. If you ever see that on any type of platform account, never do that. That shit's crazy. I would always do end of day trail.
Yeah, intraday trail is the move that you like tsunami, right? Like you just if it goes opposite your direction, it can flush you all the way out.
Yeah. Like you always have to be moving in the right direction. It's very little room for error.
Is that what common sense hedge fund? Is that what happened to them?
I'm not too sure, but I
got lost 45 billion this recent quarter with AI and all this stuff. When the AI memory shortage hit last week, lost like 45 billion.
No. So the intraday trailing is just it's a prop firm specific move, to where if you move $100 in profit, like it's hard to explain. Like I would have to show you a visual, but it's like,
don't you have to have something extra as far as liquidity, as far as reserves? So for every $100 you make, you need to have $300 set.
No, you're talking about margin. The intraday trailing is like, it's not like a normal it's not a normal trading concept. It is a prop firm specific type of rule, to where
he got margin call. Okay, this one.
Yeah,
they do got margin call.
It's a prop firm specific rule to say, hey, you have something called drawdown. Say you have like $1,000 in drawdown. If you move $100 in profit and then go back to break even, now you only have $900 in drawdown.
It's 800.
800, regardless of you not losing any money.
Yeah. Okay.
So say if you moved $500 into profit and it came back to break even, now you only have $500 in drawdown left.
So you eat your reserve before you even get the chance to set up.
Exactly. So it doesn't anticipate the back and forth or the normal movements of a chart
of the market.
of the market. So you could just be eating. You can be eating into your drawdown for like pretty much no reason. So that's why it's best.
Yeah, the whole day.
Yeah, so that's why it's best to have end of day drawdown to where that's when it recalculates your drawdown based off where you in at the end of the day, not during the day.
Give me 1 second. Okay, so into this, no intraday trailing, only end of day trailing. Basically, we move for the prop firms.
Yeah,
Gotcha.
and I see for the end of day trailing for a 25K account under Apex, one account for to just do the evaluation is $45.
Okay. All right, okay. Then that's the. Would I be able to trade that the same day?
Yeah, no. Once you buy an account, you'd have to. All right, so you have to set up Apex, get that account, but then you'd have to also set up Tradeovate, which is what they actually execute your trades on, and then you can also then connect Tradeovate into your trading view if you want to.
Trading.
So so on my screen I said Tradeovate's here. I would then click Tradeovate, and then you can only connect one of your trading accounts at a time through Tradeovate to Trading View.
Okay.
If you were trying to start copy trading and you had multiple accounts, you would have to do it straight into Tradeovate. Is why you don't, and also which is why you don't see me trading directly on my trading view. I'm trading on Tradeovate on a separate screen because I have multiple accounts.
Okay. So if I wanted to see, no, I'll just stick to one account for right now.
Yeah. I definitely just start with like the smallest one account and learn how it functions, how it moves, and then I would even say. Yeah, I mean, if you're one account, you can do it trading. You can go straight through Trading View. But if you're like doing it and you're like getting multiple accounts, then you would definitely be at your computer to where you can see Trading View and then also execute trade on Trading View.
Gotcha. And just side note, the fucking move that just happened, boy. See, no, because you called it, you was like, nah, this shit's gonna move back. And I guess we had enough down pressure that it didn't. But it still rebounded. That's why I'm like, in years past, again, I would try to take and ride that whole ride, and that second move was what would have caught me.
Yeah.
So it's like, not even, and I know, let me get on down, I gotta start dropping people off. So, I'll look at these and review these. Send me the thing as far as Apex and Tradeovate, and then I'll get that process going. And then hopefully by tomorrow, I'll have some stuff moving as far as at least something as far as paper trading, so you can see what I'm actually trying to do on my screen type thing.
Yeah.
Trade up.
Yeah, you can do paper trading straight through Trading View. You don't need to do Apex, but if you decide to start doing the prop firms, then that's when you start looking at Apex. But yeah, no worries. I'm done for the day anyway. So.
For sure. Good shit, man. That's good hunting today.
Sounds good.
All right, bro. I'm back on you.
All right, later.
1-1.
Yeah. Breaching clear. Watch the levels. Don't chase nothing. We execute. Breaching clear when I step in the zone. Charts on dark, I've been locked in alone. Price in the block, let it tap, then it's gone. On force trades, I just wait for my tone. Clean entry, tight wrist, let it run. One good setup worth more than a ton. NY pressure with a Southside drum. Breaching clear, we don't fold, we come numb. Came from the south with a New York case. Candles move fast, I don't move off faith. Liquidity sweep, then I watch that break. If it don't confirm, I don't touch that plate. I done learn pain from the market's bite. Green look good, but the red teach life. Stop too wide, it's a bad invite. Risk in check, now my mindset wait. I don't need 10 trades, I need one clean shot. Price come back to the premium spot. OB fresh, got the volume high. If they trap both sides, I'ma wait them plot. Everybody loud when the market pump, but they go real quiet when the drawdown come. I don't revenge, I don't chase no run. I breathe, reset, then I load that one. Breach it,